It makes me proud to say that I'm part of APS and to look at you guys and say, look, we got employees that are willing to go out and help those that are less fortunate. You guys ought to be proud of that. I certainly am, and appreciate what you guys are doing.
Today we're getting ready to take off. We're loading up the bags on the bus, about to head to the airport, getting checked in. The families are here to say goodbye to us as we make our way to Puerto Rico. We have about 50 total people going. It's a variety of planners, supervisors, safety coaches, and of course linemen. Without them, we don't do the work.
It really gives me a great sense of pride. It gives me a sense of giving back to the community and people in need.
It is very awesome. I'm proud to be a lineman for APS.
The biggest thing that we're hoping to accomplish when we head out to Puerto Rico is to restore power. Restore power, to me, means giving life back to the community.
The people have been without power, a lot of them in the rural areas, since about September 20th. So we want to help them restore and get back to a sense of normalcy down there.
I want you guys to enjoy it. I think it'll be a memorable event. I'm sure you'll look back on this for years and think about the time you spent in Puerto Rico and what is going to be our longest mutual assistance type restoration support call that we've done. And so you get to set a little bit of history here today.